Today we will learn the letter A and M.
Hello again, it's me, Dr. B, and thank you for joining me. The topic for today is on the letter M and A. We'll recognize these two letters, we'll practice their sounds, and we'll identify items that begin with either the M sound or the A sound. So are you ready? Great! Yes! So let's begin. As I told you before, I'm having this alphabet party, and it's so important that I find items that begin with all the letters of the alphabet. But today, we're only going to focus on the letter M and the letter A. So do you think you can help me with that?
Yes!
Great. Well, before we start with those items, let's first look at the way the letters are written and their sounds. This first letter, the letter M, the larger one is called the capital M and sometimes the uppercase M. The one next to it is smaller and is called the lowercase m. They look sort of similar and they make the same sound. Do you know what sound it makes?
Yes!
Try it. If you said, you're correct. Great job. Let's try that together. Good. Now let's switch over to the letter A. When we look at the letter A, the larger A is called the capital A or uppercase A. The one next to it is smaller and is called the lowercase a. They look different and they're written different, but they also make the same sound. Do you know what sound they make?
Yes!
Try it. If you said ah, you're correct. A makes the ah sound. Let's say it together. Ah, great. Now that we've had a chance to recognize these two letters and we were able to practice their sounds, now let's talk about some items that begin with either the A sound or the M sound. Are you ready?
Yes!
Great, so let's get started. I'm going to place some pictures on the screen, and whatever the picture is, I want you to say that item's name and listen for the beginning sound. Do you hear the A sound or the M sound? The first picture is a picture of an apple. Say apple and listen carefully for the beginning sound. Is it an A sound or an M sound in apple?
For apple.
Yes!
If you said apple begins with the A sound, you are correct. Great job. So that picture will go in the A bag. Okay, our next item on the screen is a picture of muffin.
Wow!
It's a picture of a muffin. Say muffin and listen for the M sound or the A sound in muffin.
For muffin.
Yes!
If you said you hear the M sound in muffin, you are correct. So we'll place that picture in this bag. Okay, let's go to the next picture on the screen. It is a picture of a lemon.
Wow!
Say lemon and listen carefully for the beginning sound. Do you hear an A sound or an M sound in lemon?
For lemon.
Oh no!
If you said you can't hear an A sound or an M sound, you're correct. Great job. So guess what? We can't use that in the A bag or the M bag. So we'll put that one to the side. Let's go to our next picture. The next picture is an alligator.
Wow!
Say alligator and listen carefully for that beginning sound. Is it an A sound or is it an M sound in alligator?
For alligator.
Yes.
If you said you hear the A sound in alligator, you're correct. We'll place that picture in the A bag. Great job. Now our last item is a picture of a mask that we wear over our mouth. A mask.
Yes.
Say mask and listen for the beginning sound. Does it make the A sound or the M sound? Mask.
For mask.
Yes.
If you said you hear the M sound in mask, you are correct. Great job. Thank you so much for helping me identify items that begin with either the A sound or the M sound. Now I have some items that I can include for my alphabet party. Thanks to you, I was able to do that. I look forward to seeing you the next time. Thank you.